Hi guys, this is a compressor of a single door refrigerator. Okay, in this video today we are going to learn how to give a wiring connection according to the given wiring diagram. I have been little bit enlarged this one. This is the enlarged wiring diagram of a single door refrigerator. This is the power cord. Okay, right one. For this power cord, you have three wires. That is red, black, and green. Okay, and let us see the diagram. Here R indicates red wire. Okay, this is the red wire, and this red wire is connected to thermostat. Now you can see here the three wires are coming from the body of the refrigerator. Okay. Now this is the red wire. Now let us connect red wire of the power cord to the red wire of the wire, which is connected inside in the front of the refrigerator. Okay, this is the red wire. That is this red wire, which here you can see it is coming from the body. Now let us see inside the thermostat, inside the refrigerator. So this is the red wire where we have connected to a power cord, and according to the diagram, this red wire goes to thermostat, isn't it? You have seen in the diagram that red wire is being connected to thermostat. Here two wires are there. Okay, one wire red wire from thermostat, again it goes to towards the switch. You can see it in diagram that one red wire coming from the power cord, it goes towards the thermostat and towards the switch. Okay, see it is a thermostat and one wire is going to the switch. Now this is known as a earth wire. The symbol indicates ground. Okay, now here let us see from the power cord, here is a green wire with a light yellow line on it. Now let us fix this green wire which is coming from the power cord. Okay, so here you can see we'll fit it to the body of the refrigerator. That green wire, it indicates the earth. It's not totally full green, it has a little bit yellow line. Okay, that is from power cord. It's coming. Now going to the next, here you can see that one more wire is left from power cord, that is black wire. Already we have connected red wire from body of the compressor. You have again two wires. One is red wire already connected, you have a black and white wire. Okay, now from the power cord we have one black wire left out. That black wire one is connected to the power plug that you can see in the diagram. One is connected towards the compressor and one is connected towards the bulb lamp, that is nothing but bulb. Now you see here we have a black wire that is coming from the power cord. In the diagram you can see here one is connected to the bulb, okay, which goes inside, another one towards the compressor. So this is what we have connected a black wire, power cord of the black wire being connected to the black wire which is coming from the body of the refrigerator. Okay, here you can see one wire is going towards compressor, that is nothing but it is going towards a bulb. One more wire which is going toward the compressor. That means here you have a relay and OLP. That is one wire is going, that is OLP. That is one wire is going towards compressor. That is nothing but it is being going towards the relay which is being fixed to the compressor. Okay, see here again once again here. This side compressor side, a white wire comes towards the OLP which is coming from thermostat. That is a white wire. Okay, now here as we have seen that a white wire is coming from the body of the refrigerator, that is a white wire, it will be fixed to the OLP. Okay, now you got it. Now one wire is going towards relay, black wire, another wire is going inside the fridge, that is towards the lamp. Okay, here this is inside the refrigerator. This is the thermostat. To this one white wire which is being connected to the OLP and the other end is connected to the thermostat. Okay, now let us connect this white wire to the thermostat. Okay, it's not fitted well. Let us fix it properly. Yeah, we did. Now here two wires are left out. One is black wire, another one is red wire. This one wire is connected to the switch. Okay, and another black wire, which is I explained you that it is being coming from the back side, that is power card. Now let us connect black wire to the lamp. Previously already we have seen in the wiring diagram, black wire one is going towards the lamp and another one from switch it is being connected. Okay, here we have fixed the thermostat, okay, as well as to the bulb. Now coming again back side, see here we have fixed a black wire to the relay, that is which goes to the compressor, that is which is coming from the power cord. One black wire is coming, another black wire is connected to the lamp. You can see in the diagram here, one black wire is connected from compressor to, okay, another black wire which is being connected to the lamp, that is it is going inside the bulb. Now let us fix this to the compressor, the 3 pin switch is there. Let us fix it to the compressor. Yeah, now see there. Okay, now you got it. Fix it properly. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Like and share it.